This particular example says you need to use synthetic division. So if you use synthetic division to divide this, what you're going to do is take, the reason why you can use synthetic division is because it's a plain old x minus 1. If it's any other example, any example, you can use synthetic division. If it's just plain old x minus a number or x plus a number, you can't have any x squareds or x cubes or anything like that, and you don't need anything in the front of the x either. All right, so it's just plain old x plus or minus and then a number. So what you do here for synthetic division is you take this number and you change its sign. So I'm going to use a 1 here. And then I take each coefficient. So there's a 1, a 7, a negative 13, and a negative 10. And you make sure your x's go down in powers. 3, power 3, power of 2. There's nothing there, so it's a 1. Power of 1, and then nothing, power of 0, x with a power of 0 on it. So make sure that's all lined up. The rule is you drop the first number, now you multiply with what you have up here. So 1 times 1, that's what you put there. Then you combine. 7 and a positive 1 would combine to give you 8. Now you multiply. You repeat the process over again. 1 times 8, that's 8. Now you combined. 8 and negative 13 would combine to give you negative 5. You multiply. Negative 5. Combine these together, you get negative 15. This last number is your remainder. That's your remainder. So before I just wrote the coefficients. Well, now I need to put the x's back on. So now I started with x cubed. This is going to be x squared plus 8x minus 5 with a remainder of 15. So to write that the way they want you to write it, I'm going to put x minus 1 here. And that's your remainder. That's what's left over. So that's how you use synthetic division. Check out the other examples in the playlist and you can see how that works.